Today, we'll be learning about linear properties in special cases. So, usually, direct substitution is our first step when evaluating linear properties, algebraically. However, if direct substitution gives us an intermediate answer like 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, then we must do more to simplify the function first. So this could include factoring, rationalizing, multiplying by the conjugate, or other operations to get an answer of not 0 over 0. So now let's practice. So here, see the first example. First example, we have a limit of x squared minus 6x plus 5 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 as x approaches 1. If we do direct substitution, we sub in 1. We get 0 over 0, which is undefined. That means you have to do more to get an answer that is real. So here, we can factor the top and bottom. If we factor the top, we get x minus 5 times x minus 1. If we factor the bottom, we get x minus 2 times x minus 1. As you see, there's x minus 1 on the top and bottom. That means we can cancel it out. And if we cancel it out, that tells us that there's a pinhole at x plus 1 because x minus 1 equals 0. So then you get x equals 1. So that tells us if we cancel something on the top and bottom, that tells us there's a pinhole. And that pinhole is what gave us the 0 over 0 answer, because at that pinhole, we don't have a limit. But if we get rid of that pinhole, we can solve the limit. So now we have x minus 5 over x minus 2. Now we can do direct substitution. So we sub in the 1. So we have 1 over minus 5 over 1 minus 2. So we just get negative 4 over negative 1 is 4. The next example, you have the limit of square root 4 plus x minus 2 over x. If we do, as x approaches 0, if we do direct substitution, again, we get 0 over 0, which is an undefined answer. In this case, if we have a square root, you can do a process called multiplying by the conjugate. So you multiply by 1 basically, but you have a square root. So here, we can rewrite our limit times square root 4 plus x plus 2. So it's the opposite from the sign we had. So in the limit, we had minus 2. Here you want to do the opposite, so you can cancel something out. So you do plus 2, and then over square root 4 plus x plus 2. So it's basically this. You're multiplying by the same thing on the top and bottom, which is equal to 1. So basically, you're not changing the equation because you're multiplying by 1. But this will help us get rid of something. So here, if we expand this, we get square root 4 plus x times square root 4 plus x, which is just 4 plus x. Then we get plus 2 square root 4 plus x minus 2 square root 4 plus x minus 4. Now we can cancel the 2 square root 4 plus x and the 4. That leaves us with x over x times square root 4 plus x plus 2. Now we see each as x on top and bottom. We can cancel that out. That gives us a pinhole at x equals 0. And now we can actually do direct substitution. Next, if we do direct substitution, we get 1 over square root 4 plus 0 plus 2, well, just leaves us with 1 over 4. So our final answer is 1 over 4. So basically, in these special cases, whatever the limit approaches, that's what your pinhole is going to be. That can help you when you're solving a question. If you're kind of stuck, you can kind of look at, okay, my limit is this. That means I have to be getting rid of, somehow canceling out this value. And the answer that you get is going to be your y value for the pinhole. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.